Students, open your English book, page number 13. The topic is sound of vowel U. Firstly, we read picture's name. First picture is jug. The spellings are J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Next one is mug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. Next one is S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Next one is bun. B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. P-U-P, pup. Now read these words. G-U-N, gun. R-U-N, run. N-U-N, none. F-U-N, fun. M-U-D, mud. B-U-D, bud. C-U-D, cud. B-U-G, bug. T-U-G, tug. R-U-G, rug. H-U-G, hug. D-U-G, dug. H-U-T, hut. B-U-T, butt. C-U-T, cut. T-U-T, tut. B-U-double-L, bull. P-U-double-L, pull. F-U-double-L, full. R-U-B, rub. D-U-B, dub. H-U-B, hub. L-U-C-K, luck. B-U-C-K, buck. D-U-C-K, duck. S-U-C-K, suck. J-U-M-P, jump. P-U-M-P, pump. D-U-M-P, dump. B-U-M-P, bump. Thank you, students.